How y'all doing?
Welcome back to the Low Sodium Queen, and today he is helping me make hamburger buns and hamburger patties. Okay, so we've already made our hamburger buns, so now he's just going to mix up some hamburger meat with some pepper and a little bit of my seasoning blend that you guys really enjoyed that went on the french fries. So we're going to put that in there, and he's going to just like show you how he's going to fry them in the cast iron skillet, and how much seasoning he usually puts in the hamburgers. Add a little bit of pepper.
A little bit of seasoning. Special seasoning.
Yeah, the low sodium one.
Low sodium.
And then you're going to make patties and put it in a...
I'll make my burgers about, I guess, hand size, palm size, whatever.
For us to flip them burgers.
Yep.
Alright guys, the hamburgers are done. I went ahead and put my piece of, so it looks like Swiss cheese on there from Boar's Head. That's low sodium and the Lacey flavor. Because it's got like a stronger kind of monster Gruyere cheese taste to it. So I'm going to put that on my burger, let it melt, and he's going to make the other burgers. Alright guys, here's our burger. It's completely done. It has cheese, tomato, lettuce. I'm going to add condiments later because I'm not going to eat right now because I don't feel very well. And then our low sodium hamburger bun. So total, with learning how to make the hamburger buns earlier and then making simple hamburger patties with my seasoning, it's going to be a very tasty, delicious burger with fresh vegetables and low sodium Swiss cheese. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos to your Facebook timelines. Thank you guys. Hope to see you again in the future. Bye.